Hi everyone, my name is CJ Salendo and I'm going to discuss the doing historical research online. Ang akong pa-explain na niya is ako lang basic summary. Di lang kaya na ako to i-discuss o kung sina sa books kaya medyo taas-taas ra. So summary lang na siya, basic summary. So the internet is a powerful tool for finding information about history. But you need to know where to look and how to use what you find. So, nalang ko pito ka explanation anin niya. So, the first one is why use the internet for research? We use internet for research because it is fast, convenient, and full of sources. It is fast because you can find information quickly. Just type lang ka diha, then nanadayin kay answer madawat. So, and it is very convenient sad kay you can search anytime and anywhere. So as long as na lang kay data or wifi, bisan asa pa ka diri nga parte sa kalibutan, maka-search ra jud ka. Then it is full of sources then, like sa books, article, images, documents, and more. And number 2 is how to search properly. When you use Google, Yahoo, or other search engines, use specific keyword. Example, ganahan ko makaibaw sa Philippine Revolution. So instead of mo type lang kong Philippine history, dapat ako i-type kay Philippine Revolution 1896 causes. Kaya if Philippine history lang yun ang akong i-type, siyempre daghan ra bag history ang Philippines, so di dyan ako mabawaan largo kung sa akong gipangita. Better keyword give better result. So for number 3, Google Scholar. Google Scholar is a special search tool for school and academic work. Gamit kini siya sa mga student because it is give you journal article, thesis, and books. These searches are usually trustworthy and reliable. And for number 4, Google Books. Google Books let you read part of books online. Kanang di nyo makita kayo sa library, search lang ka diri sa Google Books, naragi diha makita nimo ang mga imong gipangita. Then check if a book is helpful before you look for the full copy. Double check daan, then access all text that may be hard to find in libraries. So, sa akong pangisulti nga, o kung sa'yo wala niyo makita sa library, makita rin na niyo diri sa Google Books. For number 5 is Wikipedia. Dapat careful lang juga paggamit ani kay Wikipedia is useful because it is easy to understand. It give you quick background information. But, anyone can edit it. As I said earlier, careful lang juga sa paggamit ani kay wata kay ba pag search nimo nga ang gihatag kay di mao kay inedit ra di ay na, so dapat careful jud. So tips, always check the reference at the bottom of the page because they often lead to better and more reliable sources. And for number 6 is digital libraries. These are websites that store books and documents online. And Project Gutenberg has free books, especially old one in the public domain. And these sites are very useful for finding older sources. And for number 7 is government websites. Government websites often have laws, report, public documents. These are usually accurate and trustworthy. So for summary, to do good historical research online, use search engine wisely, look for reliable sources like Google Scholar and digital libraries, be careful with websites that may contain errors, and use multiple sources to get accurate information.